Here we go, boys. It's time to get ya. Time to get the boys. Oh, Floyd! Jeez, you're gonna burst my eardrum, mate. Jesus. You just tell him to settle down, Dad. Oh, Fritzy. You are getting fat, mate. Eh? Yes, David. Fritzy is fat, Dad. He's humongous, mate. He's humongous, I tell you, Dad. There you go, boys. He's just humongous, Dad. So I need to wash that one, don't I? Don't tell me you boys are going to just stay up there again. Eh? Normally you can't get down to the tins quick enough. And now you're just going to stay up there, boys. What's going on? Boys. You know what? I'm just going to put these dishes away. And we'll get on to your din-dins. Boys. Din-dins for the boys. Do they deserve din-dins, son? What you say they don't. What you should get their din-dins, you say, son. I should, Dad. I should get their din-dins, mate. They deserve nothing, Daddy. What do they do, Dad? They do nothing. Nothing, Dad. Yes, well, Daddy could ask the same question of you, son. What do you do? I watchdog, Dad. I protect you, Dad. I look after the boys. There's so much I do, Dad. What you would disagree, Stan? What you say, Floyd, he does not a lot. What, and you feel the same way, Stevie? Hey, boys? But he doesn't do a lot at all. Oh, I better get that off. Eh? There's Elsa. What are you doing? A bit of a stretch there? Yeah, Fritzy. My boy Fritzy.